Meaning of expiration.
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 Expiration. The term expiration refers to the end of a particular period or the termination of a legal agreement or contract. It signifies that a certain action, product, or service is no longer valid beyond a certain date or time frame. When something expires, it is essentially considered to be expired, which means it can no longer be used or accessed. This may include items like food or medications, as well as things like licenses, contracts, and warranties. Failure to comply with expiration dates can result in consequences or penalties, including fines, legal actions, or loss of privileges or rights.